Welcome everyone, I'm Nestor, your AI Scout, and in this video we're going to cover this week's latest AI news. And stick with me to the end to see the breaking news from OpenAI, and is Google going to dethrone Chatgpt with its new model? Let's find out. We kick off this week's news coverage with Microsoft. Currently, if you are one of the lucky insiders, you'll be able to start testing Windows Copilot for Windows 11. If you're unfamiliar, Windows revealed the Copilot back in May. It is integrating AI into the operating system of Windows 11. Not to be confused with 365 Copilot, which is AI for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint suite. Take a look at this. Now, this seems like it will definitely improve productivity. We shall wait and see how well it works. But for now, if you are one of the lucky insiders, you can try this out with Windows 11 build 23493, available in the dev channel. Let me know how this goes. Next up, the UN will hold its first meeting on the potential threat of AI to global peace. Now, I don't know about you, but I think they'll have bigger problems to global peace than the current state of AI. The UK is leading the effort in the UN, and they also plan on having a global summit on AI safety later this year, as they seek to be a middle-of-the-road player in AI regulation. Now, the EU is very close to finalizing the AI regulation with the EU AI Act that is now in final stages of processing. They seek to have more transparency in the data used to train large language models and ban the use of real-time facial recognition. Now let's shift to the financial industry. The biggest hedge fund in the world, Bridgewater, says Chatgpt can pass their investment associates exams. Now this is interesting, but can it really replace the decisions made by the human associates? Who knows? Chatgpt was able to perform in the 80th percentile, the same as the first-year associates at the hedge fund. Bridgewater has been working with AI models for trading strategies for a while now. They seem to be planning on still using humans and statistical backdrop as the backstop to prevent the hallucinations from getting out of hand. But it looks to me as they're going to try to make their business more efficient and reduce overhead with this capability. So keep an eye out for that. Next, we have a scary article about how AI is used alongside another technology called CRISPR for precision RNA targeting and gene manipulation. Now, who thinks this is a good idea? I think maybe this area needs more regulation. According to this article from Science Tech Daily, researchers developed an AI model named Tiger to predict the on and off target activity of RNA targeting CRISPR tools. Now, what is CRISPR? It is a gene editing tech that works by targeting DNA using an enzyme called Cas9, and they have recently found one that targets RNA called Cas13. I will link to this article in the description below. It's very interesting and scary at the same time. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. Okay, I like new tech. How about this from Humane, a brand new tech startup that is introducing and developing a device called the AI Pin. This is both a phone that projects on your skin and it is a personal AI assistant. So very cool stuff. And I'll be keeping a close eye on this device. If you haven't seen the TED Talk from the founder, I'll post a link in the description. And let's see if it can deliver on its promises. Okay, this just in from OpenAI. They announced that they're opening up their GPT-4 API to paid users, along with a slow rollout of GPT 3.5 Turbo, DALL-E, and Whisper APIs. They are also focusing their efforts further developing the chat completion API rather than text completion. Also, OpenAPI is introducing Code Interpreter to Chatgpt Plus users. According to a tweet from OpenAI, you will be able to upload files, chat with data, create charts, and edit files. So keep an eye out on this rollout in the next few weeks. Lastly, let's dive into Google as they try to dethrone OpenAI's ChatGPT. How do they plan on doing this? It's not with Bard, that's for sure. They are now trying to combine the large language model with their AlphaGo program and using reinforcement learning. This new model is called Gemini. And what they are trying to do is bring decision-making processes into the large language models that already excels at processing data and pattern recognition. So what do you guys think? Will Google be successful at dethroning OpenAI, or is this going to be another Google flop like Bard? Let me know what you think in the comments below. That wraps up the news for this week. Thanks again for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, consider subscribing, and if you want to know more about artificial intelligence, check out my other videos. Until next time, bye for now.